What's up, y'all? We back with another one. And we doing something simple tonight. At least simple for me. I got some water going. Well, water. I haven't turned it on yet. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. A little bit of butter. And that's all that goes into the rice. It's chicken rice. That's all it is. Cover that. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. We about to get these green beans started. Just take it. Dump the green beans. Just like that. With some garlic powder. A little bit of garlic, of course. Did I forget my salt? Yeah, I forgot the salt. No, I didn't. It's right here. It was sitting next to me. Okay. Got the salt, white pepper, little dash of Tony Shashery. A little dash of that. I gotta cut up some onion real. Alright, y'all. Onion in, because these gotta cook down. Have to give these time to cook down. If you don't, y'all know I don't like crunch of an onion. That's why this is going in before the chicken. There we go. That's plenty. And we're just gonna cover it and let it cook. Alright, y'all, we got the chicken. Got to season this up. Garlic powder, of course. Parsley flakes. That's pretty much just for the color. Chili powder. And white pepper. We're gonna pour a little bit of olive oil in there. That's the recipe for my dinner tonight. The next video will be the finished product. Okay? Okay. Alright, y'all. See how beautiful that looks? And we just gonna saute it up. That's what we're gonna do with it. My bad, y'all. Forgot one step of the green beans. The real bacon pieces. Good amount of bacon in there, y'all. It's already cooked, so it don't have as much fat, but it still got the flavor and everything in it. Ain't gonna leave that little corner in there. There we go. We're about to put the chicken in. Watch this sizzle. Go. We're gonna cover this up. Put it in a dry pan because I already put the olive oil on top of it, so the seasoning's gonna stick and it's gonna be delicious. Trust and believe that. But hey, all right, y'all, we got the shrimp. Garlic powder, chili powder, chili flakes. That was a little too much, but it'll have to work. Oh, parsley flakes. Salt. And of course, the white pepper. Mix it around. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put the shrimp in. Turn that up a little bit to about 250. It'll heat up fast. Shrimp in there. Spread them out a little bit. They're all seasoned with the same seasoning. I just put chili flakes on the shrimp. But hey, stay tuned for part 3. All right, y'all, welcome to part 3. This is the plate up part. We got chicken right here, of course. Better get the nice one right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, way. Oh, way. Yes, sir. Make the shrimp spicy. Don't put fire. Cover that up. Put this away. Put it right there for now. Grab the spoon. Got the green beans right here. Mix them around a little bit more. Move that back over here. Grab the rice. Rice right there. And you guys, we are done. Done. And I got enough food to last me for a few days. And I got Tupperware to put it in the fridge. Ha! But hey, this is my plate for tonight. What y'all think? Y'all saw it, made in here? And this Trucker's Life. And I'm gone.